Hey guys, so I was so bored just sitting in my bed that I was thinking of a video idea, and I thought if I should do it like today or keep the idea for a different day. Since I'm so bored, I'm gonna do it today. But my video idea is, well, I have two actually. I have one for today and one for a different day. So my one for a different day is my mom guessing the name of my fidgets. So that. And the second one is rating my fidgets. So I am going to do that. So since I have this in my hand, let's just start with this. So guys, I just got this today actually. I love it. It's so tiny. It's one of my favorite fidgets actually. It's so tiny. You can travel with it. You can hook it on something. Like today I hooked it on here and I was like in the car walking around. So I put it on there and I just started popping it. So I rate this a 9 out of 10. I don't really like it that much. Well, I love it, but the only thing I don't like about it is that it's so small and it could be a little bigger. But that wouldn't be really a travel size anymore. It's like, just look at the size difference. Hold on. Let me get a squared one. Oh, so guys, I organized my thing. So I'll give you a haul of that too. But, yeah. And I'm so excited because I got a snap. I call it a snap and click, but it's really called a snapper. So guys, I had to close my door. My brother had the puppy and he was whining. It's really loud, so I wouldn't rate this as an ASMR toy, but fidgets are really good for ASMR because they make really good sounds, except this one's really loud. Like a lot of them are really loud, like that's really loud. But I love this snap and click. So I rate the pop at a 9, and I rate the snap and click a 8.5. So, well, I'm gonna be doing my new things first. So I forgot to mention that. So my hairy tangle, or my textured tangle. I don't know how to explain this. So, you know on like a regular tangle where it's like so easy to put back together? This one's so old, so like it's so hard, but most of them are easy to put back together. Like I want to see if this is the big one or the small one. So let's see. So it is not the big one because it only goes out that far and the tangle is bigger than that. So let's see how far the little one goes out. Yes, it is definitely the mini one because it goes perfect size. But like this wouldn't be a good ASMR toy because like if you just went like this with it, or like rubbed it on the mic like this, like that would be good. So I rate this a 10 out of 10. It's really nice. It's so fun, and yeah. So my next new one is a infinity cube. So I'm getting another one of these in my fidget pack, which is coming on Monday, and it's Thursday. But I won't be back at my mom's house till Wednesday, sadly, and I leave on Sunday. So that's bad, because how am I going to get my fidget back? I won't get it till Wednesday, so I will record on Wednesday and open that. And then I'm also getting one on Saturday or tomorrow, but I don't know yet. But I am so excited, guys, to get my pack and my something dimple. Oh my god, I keep forgetting it. It's not a triple. I don't know what it's called, guys. This is so nice, guys. Okay, so that's it for the new ones. But, okay, so let's rate my wacky track. I love the wacky track when the new experiences that I learned about it. So, I'm going to show you guys. So, let me get my snapper out, because I'm making it a homemade snapper, so why wouldn't I get my real snapper out to test with it? So, first, you want to put it into this. Then, you want to make a plus sign. Hold on. Yeah, there's a plus sign. It's too big, so I took some pieces off. Whoa, look at that, guys. Then fold it up, like so. And then squeeze. It's not really close to a snap and click, or snapper, whatever you want to call it, because a snapper goes like this. I'm gonna go to the fidget thing and fidget trade today. Yes. That's my next idea. But I'm gonna do that next, guys. Okay, so I rate my wacky track a 6.5 out of 10. Next are my pop tubes. Every one of my family is sleeping right now because they all had a long day, but I don't want to be really loud, so we're just gonna I don't want to be too loud. this a 3 out of 10 because it's really loud and really big. So next are my big poppets. So there's that. Now let's do a puzzle ball. I may trade one of these tonight because I don't play with these that much. I have 2 of them, well, 3 of them too. So I think I'm going to trade one today. So it's all mixed up right here in these 3, so let's do it. Dead. I feel like I do pretty good with these, but I think I'm going to trade one. So guys, should I do this thing where I show you so like on Fridays or Saturdays or Sundays, I show you what fidgets I've been playing with, like a few that I've been playing with like the whole week. Should I start that series, guys? Comment down below. I know I got this from one of my friends, so she loves watching my videos actually. So shout out to my best friend, Victoria. I gave you a shout out already when your mom gave me that fidget pack, but I'm giving you another one because I love you. Oh, wait, you guys ready? I'm trying to catch it without any reaction. That was a good one. Damn. I knew that was coming right there. That was so far. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to do today for this video, but I'm going to go to the fidget thing right now and go treat some of my fidgets because I'm so bored. I also got my nails done today, guys. How you like it? They're red with a flower. Bye guys, I'm going to go trade some of my fidgets. Oh, let me give you a tour of my thingy thing. So I have baskets now. So I have this basket with squishies and like other things. And then we have wacky tracks, Rubik's Cubes, and tangles, poppets, pop tubes, and like squishy balls and puzzle balls. So yeah, guys. Love you guys. Bye. Hope you guys have a great day or night.